Hey everyone, I hope you're doing great. My name is Yanda Manzini at SGMBLOCK. So today I'm back with another video. Today I just want to talk about when should we be buying Bitcoin, because right now we are in a capitulation phase. Prices are really below. We are still down from our previous all-time high of 69,000 for one Bitcoin. Right now we are trading at 19,400. So the question is, when is the right time to buy some Bitcoin? My answer to that is you should always look into buying Bitcoin in capitulation phases like here. When prices are this below, that is the right time to buy some Bitcoin. And when you're buying Bitcoin, you don't just blindly put all the money you have into Bitcoin. What you do, the best thing to do is to dollar cost average in. I hope I'm not beating a dead horse, but I try to preach this because it has worked for me for several years. So for newcomers or people who are new into the crypto space who want to get in, the best time to buy is when things are really bad like this. I know things might go down as most people suggest, but nobody really knows when the bottom is going to be in, as we are seeing the prices still go down because of the macro environment and all the other factors that affect the markets. So if you look here, I just drew these lines to set a few targets just to show you that if you can dollar cost average in times like this, as we can see the prices are still below. If you can dollar cost average in and then the market starts reversing to the upside direction, if we go back up to, let's say, 32,000 for one Bitcoin, that will be something like 64% to your initial investment. Okay, now let's look at if the market goes up and we go above 32,000, maybe go up to 47,000. So that's going to be around about 147% to your initial investment. That is if you do buy in these price ranges, as we are in the capitulation phase right now, because most people are still saying that we are still going to see the price go down. I'm not against that. I know it's highly possible, because what we are looking for here in these charts is probability. Nobody is 100% sure of what the market is going to do in the near future, but in the long term, I'm pretty 100% sure that the market is going to reverse and we are going to see the prices go up even above our previous all-time high of 69,000 US dollars. So now let's look at the bull market support band, because it is something that I use as a bull market resistance band, because we are still below the bull market support band. That tells us that we are still in a bear market. Things are not looking good. But if we can go above the bull market support band, that will be just roughly around 36,000 for one Bitcoin. So that will be a positive, because it will be showing us that the market is starting to recover or the market is changing direction. So those are one of the indicators that we have that are showing us that the market is still on a downtrend, but it doesn't mean that we haven't reached the bottom. Like I said, nobody really knows when is the bottom going to be in. So I also look at the RSI. It's just showing us that the market is oversold or overbought. So we already been oversold a couple of times in this bear market. As you can see here, we are below 30 in January as well. We are also below 30. That is another indication showing us that the prices are really down. So what does that mean for you? That means it is the time to dollar cost average in. So dollar cost average in, you can do it in a weekly basis or a monthly basis, and it doesn't have to be huge amounts, because definitely when the market changes direction, you will be in profits. So to answer the question, when is the right time to buy? Right now is the best time to dollar cost average in, and not just blindly use all your money and buy into Bitcoin, because the price might do anything. But there's nothing wrong with putting your money into an asset that is 100% certain that it's going to go up, because what we've seen in this market is this: when prices are high, people think that the market is just going to keep on going higher, like we saw last year in November when we reached 69,000. Everyone thought that the market was just going to keep on going higher to the upside, but what the market did, we had a reversal and the market started declining to the downside. As you can see here, we are down about 72% to the downside, right? So it just shows you the bias that you see in the markets when things are good or when things are bad. So now, because we are down, most people are calling out for Bitcoin to go down even more. Most people are saying, okay, the market is still gonna go down, almost similar to what we saw last year in November when the price reached an all-time high of 69,000. Everyone was saying Bitcoin is going to 100k, but it never happened. So those dynamics, it shows us about herd mentality. When you're just going to be following what everybody's doing or what everyone is saying, then you're going to have it the hard way. So like I said, here we are looking for probability, not certainty, because you can never be 1000% sure of what the market is going to do next. So that is what I wanted to share with you. If you like the content, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.